Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make egg curry with a lot of gravy. Perfect for dipping bread or tasty served over rice. Heat up a pot and add oil. When the oil's hot, add cumin seeds. They'll sizzle and turn color. Add finely chopped ginger and chopped red onion. Sauté until soft. Then add finely chopped garlic and sliced green chilies. Sauté until golden brown. Now add pureed tomatoes, salt, red chili powder, ground coriander, ground turmeric, and a pinch of fenugreek powder if you have it. If not, you can leave it out. Give it a stir. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Add garam masala and water to make a nice gravy. Cover and bring to a boil. Taste the gravy and add more salt if you need to. I'm adding a little bit of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Now, if you want a very creamy, smooth gravy, cool this mixture a little bit and blend it. Then return the blended mixture to the pot. Turn the heat down so the gravy is simmering. Add hard-boiled eggs, cut in half, with the yolk side up. Gently nudge them down so they're covered with the gravy. Put a lid on and simmer for 5 minutes. You can always add more water and adjust the consistency according to your taste. The gravy is really tasty. This is such a simple curry that you can make very quickly. Chopped coriander leaves can be sprinkled on top if you like. Give this easy egg gravy a try and let me know how you like it. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.